How to add product reviews on Shopify. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can add product reviews on your Shopify store. So let's get into it. Now, adding product reviews on your Shopify store can help you elevate your Shopify store, and it can also help build trust on your Shopify store. Shopify natively does not have a review section, so we're going to be using an application to be able to integrate reviews. Now, to get started, simply head on over to your Shopify dashboard. Once you have opened up your Shopify dashboard, you're going to click on Settings on the bottom left. Once you click on Settings on the bottom left, click on Apps and Sales Channels. Over here, we're going to click on the Shopify App Store. Now, there are multiple different types of applications that can help you in adding reviews, but the one that I recommend is Judge Me. So just search for Judge Me over here in your search bar. Now, Judge Me has three different types of applications. They have the Judge Me product reviews, which enables you to create a simple widget to add reviews. Then you have the Judge Me AliExpress reviews, which can help you in importing pre-existing reviews that are present on AliExpress. This is especially helpful if you're using dropshipping. Then you have the Judge Me checkout comments, so people can review their shopping experience at their checkout. But in this video, we're only going to be adding simple product reviews. So simply click on Judge Me product reviews and click on Install. Now, once you click on Install, you're going to click on Install Application on the Shopify dashboard screen, and just like that, the application will be installed. Now, from here, we're going to pin this to our navigation on the left. Now, after that, you have to choose some basic information, so your language that you want to use and your current theme, so where you would like to actually install your Judge Me reviews. We want to install it directly into our store, so we're going to choose the current theme, which is the default. However, if you're looking to upgrade your store and you want to only integrate this in the copy version of your theme, you can go into the copy version of your current theme. Now, after that, you're going to enable the Judge Me product widget application. So to do this, simply click on Enable App Embed, and this will automatically open up your Shopify website or theme editor. And on the left panel, you will see your app embeds, and this will be turned off. If it's turned off, you're going to turn it on. And once this has been turned on, you're just going to go back into your first screen and then click on Next Step. Once you click on Next Step, click on Install Review Widget over here. Once you click on Install Review Widget, this will be added to your Shopify store. So as you guys can see, the review widget has been added over here, and you can drag it up and down on how you want it to be appearing on your Shopify store. So as you guys can see, you can click on the applications over here on your left panel, click on Add Block, and then you have application-based blocks. Now, in our application-based blocks, we have the review widget, the review carousel, reviews text, and more. So we're going to click on the review widget, and we're just going to insert that over here. And once this is appearing on our screen, as you guys can see, we're just going to wait for this to be added. And if you can't see it in your preview, you can just refresh your preview to make it easier for you to see. Let's go ahead and take a look at some of our other products. So I'm just going to go into our hoodie product like this, and we're going to click on Add Block, and then we're going to add the review widget over here. So I'm just going to make sure that this is added. So I'm just going to click on Install Review Widget. It's not showing up in our Shopify preview right now, so we're just going to close our preview, and you guys can see drag this app section up. However, it's not showing up in our actual preview. That might be because the products may not have any reviews currently. However, I still want this to be displayed, and I want a section that can actually represent the widget. So I'm going to click on Add Block, and we can add a reviews carousel as well as a reviews widget over here. And you guys can see now, after just, redoing it, our reviews widget is now visible. So I'm going to delete some of the extra widgets. And as you guys can see on the bottom, we added our customer review widget. So what I'm going to do is I'm not going to add it to the bottom. Let's say I want to move it above. So usually only like to add a stars section so people can rate it a couple of stars, and on the bottom I like to keep the review widget. You can click on the review widget in your template to be able to customize it and judge me. And let's say I want to add a star rating. So to do that, we're going to click on add block on the product information. So as you guys can see over here, we added our review widget below the product information. And we're going to click on add block within the product information, and you're going to click on star ratings. Now once you add your star ratings, you're going to see this is going to be your star rating, and I like to move this above. I like to usually place it below like the variant picker, or I like to just place it below the title of the product, so people have a better idea of what type of product we have, you know, what is the pre-existing rating, and whether or not people that have already purchased this product are enjoying it. Once you have set up your review widgets, click on save on the top right, and you can go back into your first screen, which is going to be your Shopify dashboard, and click on next step. From here, you can install your preview badge. Now, by the installation of the preview badge, people will be able to see a brief preview of the reviews when they are browsing different pages. So when the products are displayed in their categories, people would still be able to see the reviews. Now, as you guys can see, I think we have completed our entire setup, and after that we're just going to click on finish over here. Now once you click on finish, you can get started with actually customizing some of your reviews. So you can click on managing reviews or manage reviews on the left panel, and you guys can see all of your reviews that have been added. You can choose to publish or hide certain reviews, as well as to share those particular reviews on social media. You can ask customers to update their review if you ever get any bad reviews and you have resolved the customer's issues. You can ask them to update their reviews as well. You can always pin certain reviews to the top in Judge Me's widgets, as well as favorite certain reviews. Now, if you want to customize the appearance of your reviews, click on the widget section on the left panel in your Judge Me reviews. Now, from here, you can choose the type of widgets you want. So for our review widget, we're going to click on manage over here, and on the right side of your screen, you're going to get the preview of your current widget. Now, if you want to change up certain styles, you can change the colors. So let's say I want the colors to be dark red, so I can add those over here. Then I can add the star color. I think I'm going to keep that as yellow. Then after that, you have the media upload. So if you want to allow reviewers to upload photos and videos, let's say I only want them to upload photos, then you have a media grid, as well as a Judge Me medal. Now, if you keep on scrolling down, certain features are limited to the premium plan on Judge Me. However, you guys can also list the review sources. So show collected by Judge Me beneath the widget header, or show review collection policy information. Now I don't want to add that. I'm just going to click on next, and then after that you have your text customization. So as the text says customer reviews over here, if I want to change that, I can do that as well. So let's say I want to customize the widget body, and you guys can see a lot of the text is non-customizable for most of the fields. It's only customizable if you do upgrade to a premium section. However, you can always upgrade the heading section text. So you have your media grid titles, you have your text headers, and more. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.